Kato ha. Pinalibat-libat. Tanaw sa camera. Go.
Daddy, I will teach you an Bisaya version.
You're going to teach me Visayan?
Yeah. Ang nga, oy. Medyo naipit yung kuani ba? Aw, ipit, oy. Daddy.
Who are you talking to?
Repeat on me, Daddy.
I'll try. Go.
Ang nga, oy.
Anya, or...
Medyo naipit yung kuani ba?
Say it again.
Medyo.
Medyo.
Naipit yung jud kuani ba?
Naipit jod.
Jud.
Jod.
Jud.
Jud.
Jud kuani ba?
Jud ko niya mamo. Do it again.
Ang nga, oy.
Why have you got your hair like that? You look 22 years old.
Daddy.
Yes, dear.
Ang nga, oy.
Anya, or...
Medyo.
Medyo.
Naipit jud kuani ba? Naipit
Naipit.
jud.
Jun.
Di, Daddy. Jud.
Jun. Dida. Didun.
Jud.
Jun.
Jud.
Jun.
Jud
Jun.
ko.
Jun ko.
Jud
Jun
ko.
ko.
Jud ko.
Jun ko.
Di, Daddy.
D. Do
Jud.
I have to do this as well, like a chicken?
Jud
Jud.
ko.
Ko.
Ani ba?
Aniba.
O, aw, ipit, oy. Aw.
Ow.
Ow.
I thought you were going to eat me.
Aw.
Ow.
Ipit, oy.
Eat it, boy.
Do it again.
Do it again, Daddy.
Why?
Because you didn't memorize. You need to memorize. You need to learn what she says.
I'm not going to
Daddy.
learn this. Not yes, dear.
Inaipit, oy.
Eat it, boy.
No, your accent should be ipit, ipit, oy.
Eat it, boy.
Kind of.
Ipit, oy.
Eat it, boy.
No, more. It's kind of ipit, oy.
Yeah, I know what you were going to do. You'll have me looking like an idiot.
No.
Yes, you will.
Is it ipit, oy?
Daddy.
Yes, dear.
Ang nga, oy.
Ipit, oy. Na.
Medyo naipit yung kuani ba?
This one only. This one only. Anga, oy. Ipit, oy.
I only have one teacher. This is the only one.
Because you cannot memorize longer. So I just do the shorter.
Daddy, okay. Ang nga, oy.
Anga, oy.
Medyo naipit yung kuani ba?
I can't remember that.
I-remove na.
Sama, ang nga, oy.
Anga,
Ipit, oy.
anga, oy.
Ang nga, oy.
Anga, oy.
Aw, ipit, oy.
Ipit, oy.
Ang nga, oy.
Anga, oy.
Aw, ipit, oy.
Oy, ipit, oy.
Done.
Ipit, oy. Ang nga, oy.
Anga, oy.
Medyo naipit ko.
Medyo na ipit
Ko.
ko.
Ani ba?
Aniba.
Aw, ipit, oy.
Aw, ipit, oy.
Ote. Kaya memorize mo lagi, diba?
Ipit, oy.
No, more. It's kind of.